What's up, guys? We are back. Just doing a video today. Yesterday's morning, it was phenomenal. The market was on fire, you guys. You should have been there. I'm sure everybody had an opportunity to make money that day. But I just wanted to point out, early in the morning, and it says 6:50, but of course, I'm on Eastern Standard Time, so this was around 9:50 in the morning. About 20 minutes after the opening bell, I alerted my Discord group to the stocks we were in. So quite traditionally, we take an hour in the pre-market to go over what we'll be doing for the day. We take the first hour to trade and the third hour to go over any questions and answers and anything that happened after the trading session. So we do 3 hours every morning, 4 times a week for mentorship and coaching. You also get to see everything that we're doing, all the resources, all the scanners we are utilizing. But this particular morning, our scanners kicked out numerous trades. Comcast, Shopify, Exxon, Starbucks, LI, all winners. XLF, LQD, QCOM, TSM, Tesla, Etsy short. We had all of these signals come out. So I just want to show you how we use these signals and how we use VWAP to make this happen. So here, let's just take a look at CMCSA. So this is how we use VWAP. So I know a lot of people, the CPI numbers came out. I know a lot of people felt like they wanted to go short. That wasn't necessarily the case. We had that big drop in the pre-market. A lot of people thought it was an indicator to go short. Kind of got a little recovery back to the VWAP on Comcast. We were alerted on Comcast right under the VWAP. So here you have a VWAP break. Broke back above VWAP, broke multi-day. You had a chance to get paid. So just right here while I'm talking about VWAP. So this particular video is going to cover VWAP and unusual option activity. So this is the VWAP break. You never want to let the stock get back to the other side of the VWAP. Always keep a mental note of that. Never let it get back under the VWAP or the other side of VWAP. The VWAP is there to let you know what side of the trade to be on. So if it is on this side of the trade while you're anticipating a breakout to the upside, don't let it get back to the other side of the VWAP. If it gets back over to the other side of the VWAP, just use this as a mental stop. Now it'll come and retest the VWAP, so be mindful of that. But ultimately, you don't want to hold on to a call if you're day trading. So if you're day trading and you're holding a call as it's breaking back below the VWAP, then it's time to get out, because it's letting you know that you're wrong. So despite CPI, despite Fed news, despite analysts, Goldman Sachs, whatever you're hearing, all the noise, do not let the stock get back below or the other side of VWAP. Alright, so that was Comcast. We had LI. We had a sell-off at the beginning. So it's telling you go short. So go short. But it starts to reverse back to VWAP. Big candle taking you back over VWAP. So if I'm short, why would I continuously be short if I'm getting back over the VWAP? The VWAP is telling you to get out. You should have been taking profits. You should have been selling into the move. You should have money in hand by the time it starts to reverse back to the VWAP and breaks back over. You know, so even if it retested the VWAP back and rolled back over, you know, you'd still be in the trade. But if you get over the VWAP and it starts to break up, now we're looking at multi-day VWAP up here. This is our target, and look where it goes. It goes to multi-day VWAP. Retest multi-day VWAP, comes back to VWAP, and guess what? Jiggles around, retests, breaks back a low. But here, once it gets here and I'm short, if I'm doing the 1 minute multi-day VWAP reversal strategy and I'm shorting it after it breaks back below the multi-day, then of course I'm looking for it to get back to blue line to orange line, and reverse back. That's the strategy. So why would I want to stay short? Well, why would I want to stay short if I get a bounce back to multi-day? So if it was to break back below the VWAP, that would let me know to remain short. But if I get a bounce here, then I probably want to get out. Okay, so that's LI. So particularly we're using unusual option activity that came from our scanners that indicated to us that LI, that we had buyers in LI early in the morning, soon as it, right before it broke VWAP, unusual option activity came in. So we were able to get that off of the scanners and know that, hey, we have buyers in LI. Exxon had a up move. A lot of people would have got shaken out here. Of course, we're getting back below the VWAP, so you would want to get out. But guess what? It gave you an opportunity to get back in. So now, okay, I'm not on the right side of VWAP, I'm out. We're breaking back above VWAP, time to get back in. Or if you're just feeling really bullish, like I usually am on Exxon, I actually held it here, used the standard deviation, and kept going, because I'm pretty familiar with the price action in Exxon, and since everything else was bullish, I remained bullish. This line was already here. Oh wait, this is too far back. Okay, not this line, this line. But look how bullish Exxon was. Perfect, perfect. All right, what else we have? Starbucks. Just looking at VWAP breaks. Breaks VWAP. Doesn't break below, stay long. Stay long. Anything you would have got. A TSM, monster winner. Just looking at TSM on the 1 minute, 1 day. Look at this price action. TSM was dominantly strong. Breaks above VWAP here. Of course I'm getting in TSM. I think I got to TSM. By the time I had a chance to get into TSM, I got in around here. I was late to the party. But of course, it looks so bullish. I barely see any red candles. It looks like if it could go straight up, that's what it was doing. So I had to get in TSM. This was a 400% winner. Okay, so understand, VWAP break. I'm now on the right side. I wouldn't want to buy a put thinking it's gonna reverse over while it's breaking VWAP. So if you don't have VWAP on your chart, you can any platform can get the VWAP, but it's the multi-day VWAP that makes this special. So, but in this essence, all you needed was the blue line, because we had no multi-day to retest. Broke above both multi-day and right here. If we're looking at the 5 minute chart, then we can utilize multi-day, and look where it goes. Multi-day retest, breaks down, doesn't come back to retest VWAP. That's bullish. That to us, that's bullish, because now we know it's strong, it's showing strength, and we get another break. Now we're breaking the high of the day. We get another pop. All right. So that is how we use the unusual option activity that comes off our scanners to let us know where the smart money is flowing and what we should be buying based on the VWAP. Now, you had a chance to play on this particular chart. You had a chance to get in. X sign, had a nice move up. I'll show you here. Steps into this range, finds resistance, back down, kisses this significant level, back up. So now it's just in a range. So now I'm looking forward to break the Ichimoku cloud, which lets us know if we're in an uptrend, if we're above the cloud, or a downtrend if we're below. It breaks above the cloud, breaks above this significant level of resistance with a big candle, breaks this price level that I've already had mapped out, which gives you an indication to get back in. So you could have caught this pop at the open, caught your profit target. If we find resistance here, I'm getting out. If not, this is my next target, this is my next target, this is my next target. So all these targets are already mapped out for you. You just have to find a good entry point. So since we're in a range, we know if we break out of this range, here's the Ichimoku cloud, letting us know that we're in an uptrend. Once it breaks out, break this, and we get paid. So just having the roadmap, knowing how to trade is super important. I know a lot of people want to get signals, and signals are awesome, but we want to show you how to strategize, how to actually look at the charts and be the opportunity for yourself so that you can also give us ideas. I would love for you to give me ideas. Anytime you see something that I'm not looking at, I would love for you to say, hey, check out CVS, check out Walmart, check out Moderna, and I could possibly get some money with you. So I hope this video helped. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button so you can catch these videos as they're coming out in real time. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about this video, if it helped you at all. We definitely have a mentorship right now, and I would like to extend the offer. If you feel like we can help you make better trades than you have all year, I'm sure, give us 30 days and we can give you the exact blueprint on how we were able to actually win 450 trades this year just using the VWAP and unusual option activity. I'll put the link in the description below, and I hope you guys have a profitable Friday, weekend, and next week. It's earnings season, and we love to utilize the earnings reversals. Let the gains begin. Take care, you guys. Happy trading.